Hi everyone. Today I will discuss about on mouse over and on mouse out events in JavaScript. Then what is on mouse over? When mouse pointer placed over an element, then on mouse over event has to be generated. Then when the mouse pointer leaves that element, on mouse out event has to be generated. Here, image has to be loaded by using this image tag. Here, on mouse over equal to function name, because when event has to be generated, the function will get execute. When on mouse event has to be generated, until mouse out function will get executed. See here, I will write the code. When mouse pointer placed over an element, then what type of CSS code has to be applicable? Then I will access this image, then constant my image document dot query selector is used to access the element. Then what is the element name? Image. Then the element image element has to be accessed in JavaScript. I want to add some few styles. That variable name dot the style property. Then transform property I want to use here. Then I want to use the scale property. Scale property means what is the scale property? Because the size of the image is to be increased as per the scale or decreased. Then scale 2 means the original image size should be 1. Cursor placed over an image that has to be increased to 2. Because that image has to be doubled. Then save it. See here, refresh, then image is double size. Then I want to add some few effects. The image border style border 5 pixel, then style is solid, then color should be red. Then save it, do refresh. See here, the border is also be applied over there. Then I want to apply the border radius, my image style border radius should be 50 percentage. Then save it, do refresh. See here, it should be in the rounded. Border radius should be 50 percentage. Then border width is 5 pixel. It is a solid line. Then the color should be red. Then when mouse pointer leaves that element image, no effects to be added here. Then do refresh. Then here again mouse pointer placed over the image, then few styles has to be applicable. Then here when mouse pointer leaves this image, it comes to the original image. Again when mouse leaves that image, again I want to access the image. Then transform property should be 1. It comes to the original image. Then border should be 0 pixels. Then border radius nothing. It is also be 0 pixels. Mouse pointer place it over the image, then mouse over event has to be generated. When mouse pointer leaves that image, then mouse out event has to be generated. See here, any doubt regarding this event concept in JavaScript, you can ask me at any time through the comment box. Thank you all for watching my video.